In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timeline in ClickUp. The Timeline view gives you a clear visual schedule of your work, so you can see what's happening and when. It's perfect for planning workloads, spotting gaps, and keeping your projects on track at a glance. Let's walk through it step by step so you can get comfortable quickly. Start by opening your ClickUp account, then head into the specific space where your project or list of tasks lives. This ensures the view you create is tied to the right place. Once you're inside that space, look for the option to add a new view. You'll usually see an Add View button near the top of the page, alongside any views you might already have. Click Add View, then choose Timeline from the available view types. You'll be prompted to enter a name for this timeline view. Give it a simple, descriptive title so you and your team can recognize it later. Clear names help everyone find the right view fast, especially when you create more than one. Now take a moment to explore the navigation tools. You can pan left or right to move through time and use on-screen controls to jump to today. The interface is designed to feel natural, so try clicking and dragging to see how the schedule shifts as you move. If you ever feel lost, use the Today control to recenter your view on the current date. You also have the flexibility to switch the time frame between days, weeks, or months. Use days for detailed planning, weeks for short sprints or milestones, and months for big picture roadmaps. Changing the time frame simply changes how much detail you see, so pick what fits your planning needs right now and switch as needed. At the bottom of the timeline, you'll see a slider bar. This acts like a zoom and range control. Drag the handles outward to see more of your schedule at once, or bring them in to focus on a tighter window. It's a quick way to widen your perspective without changing the overall time frame mode. When you click on a specific date in the timeline, you can review tasks that already fall on that date. If you need to add something new, click on an open spot on the date to create a task right from the timeline. Give it a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, and confirm to add it. That's all there is to it. You've just set up and navigated a timeline view in ClickUp, adjusted the time frame, used the bottom slider for visibility, and created tasks directly from the schedule.